Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Theta X is probably one of the most versatile 360-degree cameras on the market. With its high-resolution images and videos, intuitive touchscreen interface, and robust feature set, it's designed to capture immersive experiences with ease. Whether you're a professional photographer, a travel enthusiast, or just someone who loves to document life in a unique way, the Theta X offers a compelling package. Number 5. Ricoh Theta SC2 Blue 360 degrees camera. This camera makes it easy to capture immersive images. It offers high performance, allowing you to relive your memories in a whole new way. It records natural 360 degrees still images and videos. The high resolution and precise image stitching ensure every detail is captured. Record high-quality 4K 360 degree videos. The latest image stabilization technology ensures smooth and steady footage. The new preset mode allows you to shoot beautiful night scenes with low noise. It also has a wider dynamic range. This new preset mode independently controls the AE and AWB for the front and rear camera. This feature is very effective when shooting indoors with strong sunlight through the windows, in cars, and so on. The video transfer speed has been dramatically improved compared to previous models. You can quickly transfer your files and share them with others. Designed to easily fit in your hand. It comes in 4 elegant colors. The thin and lightweight body optimizes internal components using a proprietary folded optics system. What we like. This camera captures stunning 360-degree images and videos with exceptional clarity. It excels in low-light conditions, allowing you to capture beautiful night scenes with minimal noise. If you're looking to document your travels or create immersive content, this camera is a fantastic choice. What people say. The image quality is excellent, with sharp details and accurate colors. The touchscreen display is responsive and easy to use, making it simple to navigate through the camera's settings and preview images. The camera's ability to capture 360-degree photos and videos is impressive, providing a fully immersive experience. Number 4. Caseling hard case for Ricoh Theta digital camera. This hard case is designed specifically for your Ricoh Theta camera. It provides excellent protection against scratches, bumps, and other potential damage. Made with high-quality materials, this case is built to last. It ensures your camera stays safe and secure, no matter where you go. The case is custom fit for all Ricoh Theta models. It offers a snug and secure fit, preventing your camera from moving around. It also features a convenient mesh pocket. This is perfect for storing small accessories like cables or extra batteries. The compact design makes it easy to carry. You can take it with you on all your adventures, knowing your camera is well protected. What we like. This hard case is designed to protect your Ricoh Theta camera from bumps and scratches. Its durable construction ensures your camera stays safe during travel and storage. If you want to keep your camera secure and organized, this case is a must-have accessory. What people say. Camera fits perfectly, even with the Halaka 360 camera cover on. It is very well made and offers excellent protection. Good quality case, fits my Theta V quite snugly and well. Nice mesh pocket for data power cable storage, sturdy impact-resistant shell. Number 3. Smatree telescoping selfie stick for GoPro and more. This versatile selfie stick is designed to help you capture the perfect shot. It offers a flexible ball head for 360-degree rotation, letting you find the ideal angle for your photos and videos. It's compatible with a wide range of cameras, including GoPro Hero models, DJI Osmo action cameras, and even smartphones. This makes it a great choice for various shooting scenarios. The selfie stick extends from 17.5 to 41 inches, giving you the flexibility to capture wide shots or get closer to the action. Simply adjust the length to suit your needs. It includes a removable GoPro mount and a standard mount, allowing you to use it with different cameras. The package also comes with a tripod stand and phone holder. The spiral lock makes adjusting the length quick and easy. Just twist to release, extend, and lock it back in place. It's designed for ease of use and optimal shooting results. What we like. This selfie stick gives you the flexibility to capture shots from various angles. Its adjustable length and 360-degree rotation provide creative freedom. If you enjoy taking selfies or group photos, or need to capture unique perspectives, this selfie stick is perfect for you. What people say. The image quality is excellent, especially in good lighting conditions. The touchscreen is responsive and easy to use. The ability to record 5.7K video is a great feature. Number 2. Tripod adapter for Ricoh Theta X, Insta361RX. This adapter allows you to connect accessories to your camera. It's a small but strong adapter, perfect for expanding what you can do. Made of brass, this adapter is built to last. It's stainless and durable, ensuring it can withstand regular use. This adapter helps minimize glare from the tripod itself. This is especially useful in bright conditions. If you're into time-lapse, this adapter is a must-have. It allows for long periods of interval shooting. The adapter supports live streaming via HDMI. It is made from high-quality metal materials, making it sturdy, rust-resistant, and long-lasting. What we like. This adapter expands the functionality of your camera, enabling the use of accessories. It's built with durable metal for long-lasting use. If you need to connect your camera to external devices or require a secure mounting solution, this adapter is a great addition. What people say. The image quality is excellent, with sharp details and accurate colors. The touchscreen interface is intuitive and easy to use, making it simple to navigate through the camera's settings and features. The camera's ability to capture 360-degree photos and videos is impressive, providing a fully immersive experience. Number 1. Ricoh Theta X 360-degree camera bundle. This is the Ricoh Theta X, a 360-degree camera bundle. It comes with everything you need to start capturing immersive photos and videos. It's a great way to experience the world around you. The camera captures incredibly detailed 360-degree images and videos. You can shoot up to approximately 60 MP still images. The stitching is also high precision. Need more space? This camera supports an external memory card. This allows you to store more of your memories without worrying about running out of space. The battery is easily replaceable, so you can keep shooting for longer periods. This feature ensures that you don't miss any important moments. Transferring your photos and videos is a breeze. It achieves wireless high-speed transfer to your smartphone. Share your experiences quickly and easily. What we like. This bundle provides everything you need to start capturing high-quality 360-degree content. It offers high-resolution image capabilities and the convenience of a replaceable battery. If you're a content creator or someone who wants to capture memories in stunning detail, you should consider this bundle. What people say. The image quality is excellent, with sharp details and accurate colors. The touchscreen interface is intuitive and easy to use, making it simple to navigate through the camera's settings and features. The camera's ability to capture 360-degree photos and videos is impressive, providing a fully immersive experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.